Hey guys, so I haven't posted anything to YouTube in quite a long time because I couldn't figure out the update and all this stuff. Anyways, today I'm going to show you guys how, because I do have a nose piercing. It's very tiny, and I'm going to show you how I take it out to clean it. I do this like every so often, whatever, just to kind of take care of it. So, without further ado, let's continue. So, I'm gonna get my stuff together out of my little bag. I have one, like nose piercing tool I use. So, this is like my little travel jewelry case. But, so, in here. I had some other nose rings I tried and I don't like them. It didn't work, so I just kept like the original piercing in here. But anyways, I'm gonna get this long guy out. If you can see it, probably not quite well. Oh gosh. So this is like that. And it's got like, it's so hard to see. Well, this is like white, so maybe you can see it better on there. And see how the end is right there. So this is what I use to help me get the piercing back in. I'm gonna take off my eyeglasses for this. So I just go in my nose. Oh, the lighting's like so bad. So I don't know how to show you, but anyways, it's got like a flat bottom. Anyways, I'm gonna go in and just pull this out. I just grab the top and just pull it out. So here's my nose piercing pulled out. Set that part down so you can see like this part is flat. Ugh, such a bad view. Sorry. I'm trying to do my best here. So you can see it's like flat on this part. So anyways, set that there, the top and the bottom to the side. And I actually use, find it, oh, it's in my medicine cabinet. So I just use rubbing alcohol. Just doesn't matter, whatever. I use 70% because it's like not as strong, but it still helps. And then Q-tips. So I got some Q-tips. And I just grab like one. That's really all I need. And just quick little cleanse, just take this just to clean the nose hole. I kind of like squeeze the Q-tip in there because I don't want like soaking wet. You see the nose hole? I just go around. I get a lot of dry skin around there, so I kind of just scrub a little harder. Yeah. And then I actually, after I do outside part, okay, just get the peroxide in there, or not peroxide, get the rubbing alcohol. Oh, it smells a little strong, doesn't burn or anything. And then I go inside and I actually use, the same part of the Q-tip, right? And I get the inside too. And then I use the dry part for the inside. Just kind of get it all around. Oh, there you go. Dispose of that. I'm kind of going to go over it one more time on the inside part because I have had some sinus issues lately due to my asthma. So it's just like my little nose ring hole. It's been a little funky smelling. I think it's from all the mucus, sinus mucus, whatever. So I'm actually going to go over it one more time. Push up on there. Oh, look, that is dripping. So that's just what I do. I don't know if this is really what you're supposed to do or not, but this is what I personally do, and it works great for me. So, and then to clean the jewelry, I need to get a bowl. So I normally take a little bowl and soak it in there. So well, I don't really have the small one. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay, so I got me a little bowl. I left my cupboards open. Ooh, so let me get my little bowl here. Prop you guys back up. I hope everyone's been doing well during this pandemic and stuff. Oh my god, it's just been so crazy. And like, so I just take the top and that, and I drop them so in the bowl. I don't know if you can see that, but sorry if you can't. So just drop them in the bowl. Add a tiny bit of rubbing alcohol because it doesn't take much, and I just kind of like swirl it around and clean it up. I'm gonna use another Q-tip actually to help kind of get some of the stuff off of it if there's any whatever goo on there for my nose. So I'm just kind of tilt the bowl, and you can see them kind of in there. So just swirl them around, and just swirl and get it. I'm not really got the best angle today, but well, my last video I posted, we were in Bakersfield, California, and just so much has happened this year. 2020 has been crazy. So me and Shadow, my husband, and our new puppy Apollo are actually in Hawaii. We moved all the way to Oahu, Hawaii. We've been living in Waikiki Beach area lately, and I haven't like made it public or made all these videos about it because like we're in a pandemic, and I kind of feel a little bad moving here during the pandemic because I know how a lot of locals feel, but then it's like, well, we're only living our life once, so I don't know, but oh, it is what it is. Anyways, I think that's about clean. Got it pretty good. I just kind of do this for like a moment or two, many moons, whatever, however you want to put it. I look like crap right now, really tired, but, and this just had to get done because it's just been bugging me with like, you get like a little funk smell with your nose piercing sometimes, like if you have a lot of sinus issues, and it's just like stuff. So now I'm actually gonna take my little tool and dip that in the rubbing alcohol to clean that. And the part I was using, so I kind of just go over like this whole thing just to disinfect it, because I haven't used this in a while. I think the last time I did, it's been about like a month or two since the last time I did this actually. So I just cleaned this whole tool. I don't know what this tool is called, but the guy that originally pierced my nose in Phoenix, Arizona, Torrid was his name, I believe, and gave me this. So this part here, I'll drop that back in, actually goes back through my nose. I gotta look in the mirror, so sorry. And then it goes through like that, and then I kind of just clean this off again with the rubbing alcohol after it's gone through my nose. So I do that, and then the bottom part that goes on the inside of my nose, so that looks funny, right? Attaches to this like push it together, and then see how the nose ring is like stuck on there. So then I just pull it through together, and then voila, that is Oh, it's so hard to see. Anyways, it's in there. Can we see a little bit? Squishing my face around. But, and then I gotta grab the top part. The ring. And then put this back in on the top. So little. I kind of really like my original nose piercing, like jewelry, because I like how it really stays in like so well. And I don't have to worry about like losing it. Unless I drop this as I'm cleaning that. Oh, there, it's in. And I just gotta push down to get it together. Yeah, there. Oh, all done. And then I'll just take the other dry part of this Q-tip, whatever I have left in the bowl, and then just kind of go around it one more time. So, oh, strong and smelling. And then I just put my Q-tips in here when I'm done, so I can dispose of them in the bowl. So it took me 3 Q-tips and not much rubbing alcohol. This is what I'm using from, I think it was Walmart, but not sponsored by any of these brands, just saying. And then, okay, just clean this off a little more. But that's it, all done, voila. So, anyways, I hope that helps somebody out of how I do it. If you guys like this video, you guys have any advice about nose pierce cleanings, just comment below, subscribe, hit that bell for further notifications. I am waiting to get a new laptop to do more video editing, and working on, God, I have so much content, so much saved up to work on. But anyways, take care, y'all. I love you. Bye.